In the field of isolated power design, engineers are constantly seeking more efficient, flexible, and cost-effective solutions. The ZCC6507, a high-performance push-pull transformer driver, stands out with its unique design and significant performance advantages, making it an ideal alternative to SN6507.1 wider input voltage range. The ZCC6507 supports an input voltage range of 2.25 V to 36 V, offering greater flexibility compared to the 3 V to 36 V range of SN6507. This makes it suitable for a broader range of power input scenarios. Higher output drive capability. At 5 V supply, the ZCC6507 can deliver up to 1.5 A of output current, while SN6507 is limited to 0.5 A. This means the ZCC6507 performs much better under heavy load conditions. Higher efficiency. The ZCC6507 offers 4% higher efficiency than SN6507, which not only improves power conversion efficiency but also reduces power consumption effectively. More flexible package options. The ZCC6507 is available in a compact 8-pin SOP8 package, making it more suitable for space-constrained applications compared to the 10-pin SOP package of SN6507. Lower cost. The chip cost of ZCC6507 is significantly lower than that of SN6507, making it more competitive in cost-sensitive applications. The ZCC6507 is suitable for a wide range of applications requiring isolated power supplies, including but not limited to communication equipment, providing stable isolated power for optical modules, switches, and other devices. Industrial control, ensuring high reliability and low interference in PLCs, frequency converters, and other industrial devices. Medical equipment, offering safe isolated power for medical monitoring and diagnostic devices to safeguard both patients and equipment. Low-noise power supplies ideal for applications with stringent noise requirements, such as precision instruments and low-noise filament power supplies. Conclusion. With its superior performance, higher efficiency, and lower cost, the ZCC6507 is an ideal alternative to SN6507. Whether you are seeking a high-performance isolated power solution for new projects or looking to optimize costs in existing designs, the ZCC6507 is an excellent choice that engineers can't afford to miss.